convection or radiation, right?
Yes.
So in our house, the heat we have that can be also transferred in these three ways, either conduction or convection or radiation, any of the process or more than one process, right? Then at age we are focusing how to minimize this heat loss, uh, so that our buildings or our rooms, those are those are you we are feeling comfortable. It can be in during the summer or during the winter. In both time, how can we feel more comfortable by stopping this heat transfer from our house to outside, or the heat from outside to our room, our building, our house. So these are the process, right? We can close all the windows, all the holes, and even you can remember, or you can check also in our country, that when the AC is installed, the room is made as much as possible airtight, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Even the place where we fix the AC, beside that, if there is any hole, we try to stop that hole using different kinds of insulation, right? So that there will be no convection process or no conduction process in the surrounding area. And you uh, you also I see this one, like in our uh, house, beside our house there is one masjid, and masjid is only one story building, and the top of the roof of the masjid is made from some that is called, in our country, that is called deutin, you know deutin, that is made from the steel or tin. It is called tin, huh? You have any idea about this, like wavy roof made from metal, that is called deutin. Is it clear to you? Everyone, are you getting me what I'm saying? Hello? So
Yes, sir.
that one is made from metal, and during the hot season, it's become very hot. And to protect the people, they are going in the masjid to offer salah, to offer prayers, to protect them from too much scorching heat. What is given there, just under the there is, under this roof, there is one place that is called ceiling, right? That is called ceiling.
Yes, sir.
And in that ceiling they are using some like aluminum foil type things, shiny things. Okay, so what is the use of this shiny things? So that heat is radiated. Yeah. Like heat, which one is coming to that shiny foil, that is reflecting back. Reflecting back, and this way we are stopping the radiation process. Is it clear to you? Hello? Like it is coming
Yes, sir.
or transferring by three processes. One is conduction, one is convection, and another one is radiation. So radiation can be reduced, or radiation can be stopped by reflection of light. It cannot be stopped by any other means, because radiation can also possible in the vacuum. So you cannot stop radiation by any means. Only it is possible to reflect back the radiation or reflect back the heat. That's why
Okay,
aluminum
sir.
foil is used. And another thing we found in Saudi Arabia, I saw here in Bangladesh also, I saw that when the people they are selling the burgers, like in the fast food shops, they are wrapping the burger, the hot burger or any delicious food with aluminum foil, isn't it? Hello. And the biryani packet also, inside it there is coating of the aluminum colored things, right? So that the there is reducing of heat loss by the process of radiation. The aluminum foil is stopping the heat loss by radiation. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Do you have this experience? Have you ever seen this? That burger is
Yeah.
covered with the aluminum foil. Yeah. And this way we are using many other process so that we can reduce the heat loss. The heat loss, you see, we have in our house, they said, important practical methods of thermal insulation of buildings. So uh, I saw, in Mouchak area, in our Dhaka city, we have Mouchak area. You know about that one, like Malibag, Mouchak area, beside Mok Bazar. There is one building made, big building, and I saw that one when they were making the building. The building was the whole building is completely air conditioned. And to make it air conditions, they are using some pipes, big pipes to transfer this cold to cold air in different areas of the building, and that one wrapped with the aluminum foil. Okay, so that this cold, whatever inside the inside the pipe, that that remains cold. From outside, heat energy is coming, that is reflecting back on the aluminum foil, and inside it is still cold. Is it clear?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
this white shiny things, they are reflecting back the heat, and this way they are stopping the radiation process. So we have conduction stopped, convection stopped, and radiation stopped. Then we can get maximum energy or comfort in our house according to our need. So now we are going to have the notes. Today I'm not taking the break for Salah because in our area, the masjid, that one adjacent to my house, they changed the time of Salah. Uh, it was before 7:30, now it is 7:45. As I did not inform you before the timing, that's why I'm continuing. In our next class, if you all agree, then we will start the class 7. Then I can offer in our next class. Otherwise, not. Okay. So that one will decide at the last. Now you take the notes. Sir. Hello. You're
Yes,
listening,
sir.
everyone.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I'm writing the notes on learning outcome EFGH. Please, you take the notes. First one is about uh, good absorber of heat. After writing heat, you write infrared radiation. Huh? So good absorber of heat or infrared radiation. Here, black, black color is the best absorber of heat. If the black body okay. So the writing. Are you understanding the writing, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So if you understand this, then you also can make idea about good reflector of it, right? So that one is opposite of this, huh? Good.
Sir, when will we have our topic 8 test?
Uh, Topic 8 actually, here we have some participants who actually don't have idea about topic 8. That's why I'm taking time so that they can settle down, and we can have the test afterwards with
Yes, sir.
their,
We need makeup classes.
yeah, yeah, so that they can get complete idea, and after that we will approach for that. Okay, Mahi?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because Mariam, Maimuna, at least they need uh, another makeup, this
Makeup
Saturday.
class, yeah.
Yeah, this Saturday morning. Then they will be ready for the test. Then we can decide after discussion. Okay, is it clear, Mahi?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, thank you. So good reflector of it. Good reflector of it. That is white, shiny objects are good reflectors of it. Thus, they reduce or stop the heat transfer by radiation. Okay, so a good reflector of it, white shiny things, they are good reflectors of it, and by using this, property, they can stop or reduce the heat transfer by radiation. Okay, and then we have good and bad emitter of heat. Black things, black objects are also good emitter of heat if the surrounding temperature is lower. Black. Okay, temperature is lower. again white shiny objects are emitters. Okay, so are you writing, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So are you done with writing?
No, sir.
Yeah, Monica is there. Monica, Monica,
Yes, sir.
can you take the snap of my writing, please? Only this part, and
Okay,
send
sir.
it to our group, please.
Done, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So we are done with this part writing, and we have now the next part about the insulation of our house, buildings, rooms. That one we are going to discuss. Okay, so how to how to do how to mm, how to stop heat loss. Stop actually is not possible to do stop completely. How can we reduce heat loss? Heat loss or heat transfer, we can say transfer to or from our house, buildings, rooms. This way we can write the heading. The heading is bigger, but in this heading, many things are coming. That's why we are making it bigger so that we are not, confused at all. We are either having, you see, heat loss or heat transfer. We can say, like if it is winter or cold country, then we are reducing the heat loss. Then if it is like summer or hot countries, there we stop the hot air to come in our house. That time it is not heat loss, it's like heat gain. That's why we write heat transfer to or from our house, buildings, rooms. Now we discussed many things over there. We are trying to make it shorter as much as possible. So we try to reduce first step by step. We are going with conduction, convection, or radiation. All this. First, try to reduce the heat transfer by conduction and convection by using double glazing, huh? Glass where air is trapped between two layers, where air is trapped between two layers and thus trapped air works insulator insulator and stop conduction. Again, again, trapped air is not not allow not allow circulation of air which stops convection. 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 Have you understood this? We try
Yes, sir.
to reduce the heat
Yes,
transfer
sir.
by conduction and convection by using double glazing glass, uh, where trapped air is trapped between two layers, and thus trapped air works as insulator, works as insulator and stop conduction. Again, trapped air is not uh, allowing circulation of air, which stops convection. Furthermore, we use uh, hollow bricks, where is also where is also trapped air, trapped air transfer, heat transfer by conduction and convection. We also we also uh, give outside coating coating of the buildings houses to get the get the heat reflected so that the heat transfer by the process of radiation is reduced. Okay, is it clear, everyone? We
Yes,
have
sir.
here, conduction, convection, radiation. All these process, stopped here. Sometimes, sometimes we use use um aluminum foil, huh? Aluminum foil, aluminum foil in ceilings. What is the spelling of ceilings? Ceillings.
LING.
Yeah, ceilings. So that, and you can see most of the false ceiling, their color is white, right? Or shiny. Sometimes we use aluminum foil in ceilings so that heat transfer by radiation is reduced as well. Okay, we will also bring some more ideas in our next class. We will bring the idea of vacuum flask. Yeah. In vacuum flask, if you keep the liquid, hot liquid, uh, or anything cold also, the ice cream, the people who are selling the ice cream, they are also using bigger, vacuum flask like things, so that their ice cream is not melted. Yeah. So they are actually using this structure they are using so that there is no heat transfer, to and fro. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we will discuss those things also in our next class, and we will also have discussion on solving worksheet. Okay, more questions. In
Sir,
our
is this note for both G and H?
Yes, yes, yes. B and H
Okay,
together
sir.
we discussed here. Okay, together they came. So we are done with this topic.
Okay, sir.
In our next class, we will solve the worksheet, and also I will give you the example of vacuum flask, how it is working. Okay, inshallah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Huh? Allah
Thank you, sir.
Hafiz.
Sir, will next class start from 7?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for reminding our. If everyone agrees, if everyone agrees.
Okay, sir.
So Al
Okay, sir.
Farabi, Lamisa, Muhammad Mahi Khan, Monica, and Adrita, you are here. Could you please share your ideas that will it be okay if we start at 7 o'clock next class?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
it's okay.
Like
Adrita.
7 for the next class or like permanently? Which one?
Yeah, if it is permanently, will it be problem for you? 7 from 7? Mm-hmm. Is it is
Sir,
it
then I will have to leave a little earlier on Saturday because I have other classes as well.
okay? Okay,
My
okay.
class
Then
starts at 8.
no, no problem. We will continue this way. Okay, 6:45 then, until you make sure that your class is not hampered, then we'll continue this routine. No problem. 6:45. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Huh? Allah Hafiz.
Okay.